Is having a cup of green tea a plus, a minus, or a neutral? A plus? I'd say it's a plus. Taking a cigarette upon waking or looking at the phone, checking the phone as the first thing in the morning, is that a positive, a negative, or a neutral? Depends on your goals, right? I mean, it really depends on who you want to become and what your goals are. I think we could all agree smoking a cigarette first thing in the morning is long-term. Short-term, it gives relief to that person. Long-term, it's got many terrible effects, right? So long-term, how does this habit affect you? So go ahead and label your plus, minus, or neutral, your habits that you wrote down.